I am looking rough as balls this morning. I'm going to an AC/DC concert and I need to leave in an hour. I need to do my makeup, my hair, and get dressed and film a get dressed with me. So this is gonna be the world's fastest get ready with me, but I said I would film more of these, so I'm gonna try and do it today, but I'm in such a rush. So let's go. Speed, speed, I am speed. I just realized all my products are under here. I haven't filmed a get ready with me with my new desk. Ooh. Just gotta shave your face first. There's gonna be a lot of men there with beards tonight and I would hate to challenge their masculinity. Okay, oh God, I'm really stressed. I'm gonna use this Bioma moisturizer. I literally just grabbed this one. I'm breaking out so badly, you guys. Aunt Flo is gonna pay me a visit any second. For brows, I'm gonna use this Unicorn Cosmetics brow gel. It's my favorite at the moment. Brush them up, baby. I have a few hairs that sit really straight, so I just need to try and push them in the right direction. It is raining outside, like torrentially raining. This is not the vibe. So whatever I do to my hair, it is gonna be low effort. This stuff is literally damn glue. I'm sorry if I'm sniffling. My hay fever is so out of hand at the moment. And I know loads of people are struggling with it right now. I don't know what it is about this year. It's been so bad. I have a hair that's like lying completely straight. Why are you not doing what I ask, bro? There we go. It's not so hard, is it? Okay, that'll do. Okay, let's prime with the NARS Radiance Primer. I had big plans for my makeup tonight. Basically, I thought I would have all day to get ready. I thought because it starts at like 7, I wouldn't need to leave until like 4 maybe, but I'm working with a brand and I need to be there at 3 at the latest. They've booked me transport and I need to leave my house at 12:30. So that is a lot less time than what I was expecting. And it also means that my makeup needs to last for literally like 12 hours. My transport home gets me back at like 12:45. So my e.l.f. Halo Glow. I'm just gonna pop this on the top portions of my face. Look at this monster. Honestly, why? My face compared to my neck, that's hysterical. Charlotte's Beautiful Skin Foundation, and we are just going to pray that this stays on all night. Sorry, I just realized my mic was really far away. I hope you could hear me then. It's so gloomy, so the backdrop looks really dark, but my face is really overexposed. Look at that finish though. A mixture of those two products is so nice. And this is real. This is like really how I do my makeup. We're not doing any cutesy tutorial makeup like application. We are banging this on. And then any excess on my hand, I'm just putting in my problem areas, which is quite a lot of my face at the moment. I love you, Mother Nature. Let's conceal. I'm mixing my Pat McGrath and my Dior concealer. You had better stay hidden. It's relatively flat, it's just really red. Once again, sorry, I keep having to move my mic and forgetting to move it back. I'm so sorry, I'm so rusty. Oh my God, I have like no time. I'm actually really stressed. Why did I choose to film? I honestly don't really have time to film this. And then NARS Radiant Creamy under the eye. Highlight the nose. I need to give it a second to sit. I don't have a second. I'm obsessed with this Morphe X Aerial brush. This little fluffy one. I use this with my concealer and it is so good. I just buff it out. It's so quick. Oh my God, my iPad's about to die as well. My iPad's my monitor, if you're wondering, so I can see what you guys can see. I don't have time for a small brush. We're just gonna buff it out like this. Under the eye. This is a car crash, guys. If I have a bad makeup day, like things start going wrong, if I have like a bad brow day, I think I'll cry right now. I'm not gonna jinx it. Emma, don't jinx it. To grab my iPad charger. I also need to charge my phone. Where's my cable? I thought it was in my pocket. Some cream bronzer. Throw it on. Is this giving you anxiety? This is giving me anxiety. Someone at my door. I literally flung the door open and my postie was like, you look flustered. He's used to me answering the door like, hi, you okay? He was like, whoa, what is this energy? I'm like, it's stress. Thanks for asking. Big brush. And we're just setting all of this. We need this to last. I had a couple of new products that I wanted to play with in this video. I'm not gonna risk it today. I don't have time for something to reject another product or for me to hate something and want to redo my makeup or honestly for me to give a review. I just need things that I know work. For those of you who have been requesting more makeup, is this what you wanted? I'm so sorry. Is everyone set? Is everybody happy? Maybelline Super Stay. It's super, super full coverage, and I put this under my eyes. It's a couple of shades lighter than my skin tone, so I use this to set and brighten under the eye. I'm also using it to give that break out a bit more coverage. Fine, it will have to do. Is this the right shade? Please be the right shade. No, it's not. I'm gonna take the NYX brow pencil in the shade Brunette. Okay, oh gosh. Brows in a rush is never fun. Oh, yep, there we go. Not putting much through them. Just the front and the arch. Oh my god, I'm literally getting like an adrenaline dump right now. My hands are shaking. As expected, it's a terrible brow day. Calm down. MAC Prolong Brow Lock Gel stuff to lock all of that in place. This stuff's amazing. I talked about it in my favorites video. I talked about a lot of these products in my favorites video because they're my favorites and they're what I've been using. It's so dark. If this video sees the light of day, I don't know whether it ever will. Now I'm like, I can't be late for nothing. It has to see the light of day. Vive Modern Bronzer. Just set the cream bronzer and add more bronze, more shape. My ugly bronzer face. I know it looks a little bit mental right now. Just wait till the blush is on. Alexa, what's the time?
The time is 12:04 PM.
My Rare Beauty blush that I smashed in my last video. Livid, absolutely bloody livid. Here we go, it's coming together. MAC Gold Deposit bronzer. If you guys want to see an actual like everyday makeup tutorial that's like nice and relaxing and probably much more enjoyable to watch than this, then let me know. Hilarious that I was planning on doing like a smoky eye with glitter and stuff. That's absolutely not happening, is it? I'll be lucky if I get bloody mascara on. I'm having a bad nose contour day. Why is it now really bright? This is infuriating. When you have a bad nose contour day, just cover it with freckles. That's what I always say. I'm just gonna put my bronzer all over my eye. What an anticlimax. I had such high expectations of myself. It's turned out that I've ended up doing my everyday makeup. Smoke it underneath to try and add some kind of interest to this makeup. I actually can't get over how awful the lighting has been throughout this video. I'm so sorry, guys. I don't have time to fiddle with it. I'm just letting it do its thing. The Beauty Crop Wishery. There's a lot of powder on my face right now. If you want your makeup to last, don't be afraid to use lots of powder. Just make sure you use a lot of setting spray too. While that dries, I'm going to do my lip. My favourite brown liner, which is Morphe Bite Me, which is no longer available, I'm sorry. But any brown liner. This isn't a tutorial. MAC Blankety. Old School. Super Pale Nude. Wow, my lip liner is absolute dog shit. Maybelline Gloss in... This isn't the right one. Max Factor Lip Glaze in Pink Fizz. That's cute. Highlight. Glowing with Ted highlighter from Ted Baker. Oh yeah. Oh baby. To be honest, the skin is skinning today. At least it's gone well. I may be rushing, but at least it doesn't look like trash. Just to set where I've sprayed, I'm gonna go in with the Charlotte Tilbury powder just to lock it in anywhere that I tend to get oily or anywhere that's not as flattering to be shiny. Highlight on the inner corners. I hate being rushed. It's like the worst thing. Okay, now my least favourite step is mascara. I hate doing my mascara. It makes the biggest difference, but I find it so boring. Curling the lashes. And Vive Modern Mascara, which is actually completely dry right now. It's really nearly empty. But I'm getting home so late. I said it in my favourites video that this comes off really easy, so I want something that won't smudge while I'm there, but will come off really fast when I get home. This makeup is so lame for AC/DC. I'm so sad. Okay, I'll do the second coat in a second. Alexa, what's the time?
It's 12:17 PM.
That is ridiculous. When I don't have time, I crimp. Don't scrimp on the crimp. Here's the makeup. Shut up. Where are my lip products? Okay. How are we looking here? What's our starting point? I'll be honest, not great, but I did crimp it yesterday, so it's not a full job. It's just a touch-up job. I'm literally just gonna crimp the top pieces again. Like I said, it's raining, so the hair will be the lowest effort part of this. I normally take smaller sections, but I'm literally just taking massive chunks. As long as the top sits okay, then the ends can kind of just do their own thing. The back of my head is not my business. It's not my problem, I can't see it. I'm like shaking right now. I could use a bit of help in a lot of different ways. Right, let me just finish this and I'll come back. Dry shampoo, because it needs a wash. LV. Mostly at the back here is where I get greasy. You better hold. Tiny bit more on the nose. Nose contour situation. Did that make it worse? Potentially. Hair and makeup done. I'm gonna run and go and film an outfit reel, which I have literally 7 minutes to film it because Rob will be here any second, and as soon as he arrives we need to go. So, but thank you guys so much for watching. I'm sorry this has been so chaotic. It was not meant to be, but today has just not gone to plan. I'm not wearing these necklaces, so I'm gonna start taking these off while I talk to you. I'm not exaggerating when I say this is not a put on, I'm in a rush. This is a genuine rushed, get ready with me. And I hope you enjoyed it. This is real life, people. You come to this channel for realness and that's what you're getting. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Have the best day. Love you. Bye.